Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the UKEIN Softside Expandable carry-on luggage. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as we get the stuff out of the bag here, I'll walk you through kind of the parts and pieces to it. Great looking bag, nice looking design. And we'll kind of walk through all this stuff in a moment. Put your name tag on there, obviously adjustable here, hand here. So this is really nice because it's got a little TSA type lock, or just lock to whatever. You'll be able to figure out and pump your stuff and just lock it in, set your combination, all that stuff. Wheels on the bottom. And then of course, a little kind of side pocket to kind of stick a water bottle in or anything that you might be traveling with that you don't necessarily want to have packed away, but you need easy access for. For me, it's ideally going to be my phone, my charging stuff, and or a water bottle. So let's talk about the front. Couple different spots. You can put books, Kindle, something like that, tickets. Also have a front pocket right here, similar, which is nice. And then we'll have a third front pocket, which is great. So there's a lot of opening capability here. This is great for a laptop. As you can see, just stick right in there, or put right on, you can put your tablet inside and then put your laptop here. So a lot of flexibility as far as the bag itself in that facet. And then we have an expandable bag here, which is nice, meaning that it can kind of get opened up. As you can probably see, it's a little bit wider, and then if I need to tighten it back up, simply zipping. All right, and then we'll get to the inside, and I'll start to put this on the ground in a moment once we go through that. So, kind of mesh bathing suit area or anything like that. Standard stuff here, really nice. And then these are what I really enjoy, is the kind of packing cubes, they call them. But in here, again, standard, you'll have the ability to kind of strap your stuff down. But also in here is a kind of ability to kind of hide stuff if you want. It's an additional area for some reason that allows me to kind of do whatever I want underneath and remove stuff or whatever. So nice little feature that you can kind of see. That will zip back up, and so I'll zip it up. And it gives me that nice little mesh area, or not mesh, but kind of fabric area. And again, I can kind of utilize this as I choose or not choose to use to kind of clamp down my clothing. And then the packing cubes are great. If you've never used these before, they help to kind of solidify stuff. This one's going to be mesh as well. Mesh for a second one. And then we'll have kind of a toiletry bag, and then just a general kind of like throw my sneakers in or shoes or whatever. So a lot of great functionality to this bag. I love the packing cubes come in different sizes and different functions, which is really awesome. And of course the wheels and everything, and it's sturdy. So I'll throw some stuff in it and we'll take it from there. So I'm absolutely a huge fan of this thing. Again, it's lightweight, it's sturdy, it's got a ton of space, and frankly, it's affordable. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thank you for watching.